Hi, we're here at Bell Shoal Creek Preserve in Riverview, Florida. This is a 4.5 mile loop. And where are we close to, guys? Riverview. It's about a 20-minute drive from Tampa. We're here with Zachary and Joshua. And we're getting ready to go on
I'm trying to do what survival
a trail here to investigate.
Survival's doing.
Trying to make a bonfire.
Daddy,
We're out here going down trail.
And here, Daddy. And now she like quiet.
We're out here. It's starting a bit to rain. It's getting windy.
Yeah. And I'm looking for Bigfoot. Daddy, I just found Bigfoot. Daddy, I found Bigfoot. I found Bigfoot.
No, you
Daddy.
didn't. What, is it buried in the sand?
Where is he, Joshua?
I thought we were.
He's over there?
No, there isn't.
It is.
That you found a foot?
I found toe, and then.
That's only 3 feet.
Let's keep going, guys.
Woo!
Look what I'm doing.
Okay, you stick out.
Mom, I'm waiting. Okay, take yours out.
Oh my gosh.
What the?
Put your stick in
I think
there. No, I mean like in this big clump of sand there.
Hey, stop. No. Okay, Hey, Daddy, look.
Comment down below if you have ever had an encounter with what you think is, I don't know, Sasquatch, skunk ape, anywhere around the world.
Daddy, can I say, if you get hit by a skunk ape, you die. But,
Wow, look how rotten this is. Look how rotten this is, Joshua.
no.
No, come here, look.
And look at this one. Without it, I'm gonna do it now.
You okay? You see a hummingbird trying to see if we can get a shot of it.
Right over here. Someone that way. There's 2 of them. 3 of them. There's one right there. There's one right there. See that? Right there. I see it. There's one there. There's about 4
Just don't have a lot of zoom.
There's about 4 of them. 2 of them back there, and then 2 of them right here. Look, Joshua's right next to him.
See it.
Where is it? Right there. There's one of them.
Oh, it's so good.
put them on.
No, no. You know them dusty glasses?
I have a pair of glasses. Right here. There's nothing down here. Got it over. Grandma.
Yeah. Exactly. I want to smash them. Take that?
No.
We turned around now. We're about an hour into the trail. We only saw one other person in here. Zachary and Joshua are holding up nice. This is a marsh out here. How you guys like this one?
Great.
Joshua?
Of course.
Got a little bit of rain.
If you ever come here, don't go in the times when it's hot. Always come here fall or winter, because there's no shade.
And watch out for Sasquatch. Or big.
This road is a road in the middle of this nature preserve because there was going to be a subdivision that they were going to build here in the late 1980s, but the development ran out of funding, and the county bought the property and then developed this nature preserve. So this road will eventually be swallowed back, taken back by the preserve.
We're almost to the car. We're headed back nearly to the end. Josh was trying to make fire out of dirt. Weird.
And set the ground on fire.
So cool. It took a long way to walk. It's raining and it's getting dark and I'm heading home and I got fingers on.
These are golden astros. They're nearly extinct flowers back like a long time ago. I think it was in 1997 or something.
They're endemic to Central Florida.
Yeah.
That means they
People
only
thought they were
grow.
extinct a long time ago, but now they're only found in a couple counties in Florida.
Mm-hmm.
Can't find these anywhere else but Florida. If you're watching this and you're in China or in the other,
Yep. It's your chance to see
come
the
to
golden
Florida
aster.
and see these.
Watch out! Can I touch me, Knock?
Okay.
Like and subscribe to this video. If you have any comments, comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Can I do one thing? Thanks for subscribing, and I'll punch your butt 3 times in 3